These how to 1 minute will show you how to add additional user profile fields in WordPress registration. So as you can see right now, I'm in my WordPress user section, and now let's edit a user, and I'm scrolling down. As you can see, this is the registration form where I will add an extra field called Twitter username. To do that, I'm going to install a plugin and searching for advanced custom field, and this is the plugin we are going to use. So install this plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, it's time to create a custom field. To do that, click on ACF and now click on add new, and I'm giving field group title, Twitter handle, and scroll down. Select the general tab and field type, select text, and field level, I'm typing here Twitter, and field name also giving here Twitter, and then click on validation, and you can make the field required from here, and click on presentation, and right here are instructions about the field. And click on conditional logic, and you can enable conditional logic here. Then again go to general tab and scroll down. Show this field group if, click here and select user role, and here select is equal to, and here select all. And now all you have to do, just click on save changes. Once the field created, now let's add these additional field to a registration. So I'm going to clicking on all users, and let's edit this user, and I'm scrolling down. As you can see, the Twitter handle, Twitter, add here your Twitter username, extra field has been added. This is how we can add a extra field in WordPress user registration form. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.